The village was so beautifully. All of them came together. They stepped into the pond. They took a bath. They played in the water. They enjoyed well. After the bath, they returned to the forest. Let's choose from the options given. 1. Who are the guests? Speak out. Where did the elephants come from?